Welcome to a residence where luxury meets timeless design.
Every detail has been carefully crafted to create an exceptional living experience. Step inside and experience a space where elegance and comfort come together beautifully. Every finish, every texture, and every detail reflects exceptional craftsmanship.
Every single shot you are seeing right now was created using AI. No camera crew, no drone, no luxury property, just OmniFlash. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created it from start to finish. So the first thing that you need to do, you build the prompt. Now here is where things get interesting. Most people think creating a video AI is just typing a short sentence, but cinematic results, you need to guide the AI like a movie director. So with the help of ChatGPT, we've just created our own prompt here. We're gonna click on new project, and then we're gonna come here where it says tools. We're gonna scroll up until you find where it says a prompting. So you're gonna find the storyboard there. So click on the pictures. This is what you're gonna get. It's gonna say welcome to the story studio, and then you choose your storyboard style. So click right on that arrow that is facing down, and then these are the style that you need to choose from. So if you're not looking for the realistic, you will find the animation, charcoal, claymation, and concept sketch. So you click on the right one. So for me, I'm gonna go with the realistic. Then after you click on get started, I'm gonna come here to describe the story, edit scene, update dialogue. So this is the box that you're going to work on. So on this box, I'm gonna just click here and paste the prompt that I got from ChatGPT and click generate. Now this just rewrote my prompt, and then the next step is to come here to the assets. Okay, so you're gonna click on assets, and then on the asset you click on autofill characters. We've got two images that include the close-up so that you can able to see how she looks when she is closer, and even when she's a little bit far. All right, so with this image, then what you need to do, you come here to the storyboard. Okay, and then you click on autofill the scene. Okay, so look how beautiful the image looks. Okay, so the only thing that you need to do, you just click on autofill so that it can autofill the rest of the scene. So I'm gonna just do autofill scene like that up until I finish with all the scene. Okay, so I actually done, and I can just wait for the AI to finish. Okay. Storyboard images have been generated and saved inside the project. So over to your project, and then you will find all the images you have created for each and every scene. So we already plan everything in the storyboard stage. We don't have to guess what comes next. So each image already represents a specific scene in our luxury property commercial. So now all that is left is to take the corresponding video prompt from each and every scene and add it to the Google Flow and generate the video clip one by one. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, I'm going to add these images here. I'm gonna take the first image and then add the second one and add the third one. Remember, the storyboard is created for each and every scene. It has created 3 images. So these are the first 3 images. So on here, I'm going to paste the prompt that I got from ChatGPT. This will actually explain everything. Okay, so this is the first scene of the aerial estate reveal. Okay, so there is a video prompt, there is a character action, and also the camera movement, the dialogue, and also the do's and the don'ts. Okay, we can just come here to the video and make sure that it's actually in the right one. Okay, so it's gonna be 10 seconds, and then it's gonna be one video, and then it's gonna take 10 seconds, and then we click on generate the results here. Let's just have a look. The speak screen.
Welcome to a residence where luxury meets timeless design.
Alright, so that is the first episode, that is the first scene. So we're gonna do a scene 2. So we're gonna use the very same format, and we're going to bring, so already I've brought these 3 images here, and then we can just click on generate. So we've got the second scene here.
Every detail has been carefully crafted to create an exceptional living experience.
You're gonna need to repeat this process up until you are done with all your scenes. And that's it for today's tutorial. We started with an idea, turned it into a storyboard, and generated all the images, and now those images are ready to become cinematic video scenes. This workflow is actually a great way to create more consistent and professional looking AI videos. And if you're enjoying these tutorials and you would like to see more OmniFlash, Google Flow, and AI content creation workflow, make sure to subscribe to Rudy Studio. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.